I do, but it's like if I put it in sport mode,
Yeah.
it just every time I let off.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I'm like saying.
We're out in Hendersonville and we are going to do Highway 276 and Highway 215. Should be a pretty good run. We did get past all the crappy weather, so we got that going for us today. It should be nice, sunny, and 70 degrees, which will be awesome. And yeah, we'll catch up with you in a bit after lunch. We're eating some Wendy's right now. Nothing too fancy today, so yeah. All right, guys, we just wrapped up lunch, and yeah, so we're letting these guys get staged up, and then they're gonna roll out. See the gang.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. Here we go. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there.
Probably. Alright, guys, we are moving down Highway 276 right now. Israel's driving this Focus RS, and it bumps like crazy. So we're having a bit of a blast rolling downhill. So you'll see it in video. And we are working our way down Highway 215. We're gonna see if we can't get past these slow motorcycles here in a bit. We're hoping they pull off so we don't have to do anything rambunctious, but we'll see what happens.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there.